I think everybody knows by now I went to college here in Las Vegas, and I'm about a half mile off the strip. Now, I drove by this place a million times, never stopped in here. It's called the Eureka Casino, and boy, did I miss out. This is the home of Fat Choy Asian American fare.
I have your sesame noodles here for you.
Looks like a diner, but tastes like it's gourmet.
One Fat Choy burger.
If I was ever in the hospital, I want someone to sneak this into me. Chicken teriyaki rice.
And Sheridan's an amazing chef.
That'd be Sheridan Sue, who worked in kitchens from New York to Los Angeles before rolling the dice in Vegas in 2011.
They started off as a food truck.
And then he had a little kiosk that was in the middle of a beauty salon, and now he's got a full kitchen and a full restaurant.
One Pork Belly Bao.
I typically get 2 orders of the pork belly bao.
The Chinese steamed bun with marinated pork belly, total goodness.
So this is how loud it's gonna be the whole time? We're in a wind tunnel. What are we making?
We're making Pork Belly Bao.
All right, man, get into it.
We're gonna start with the marinade. 2 cups of soy sauce.
There we go.
4 cups of water. And brown sugar. Garlic powder. And green onion.
There we go. So let that simmer down.
Yes.
I said let it simmer down.
We're gonna pour it right on top of the pork.
You have to let it cool down, otherwise you're gonna poach it.
Yes. And then I'll cover it
Now this will marinate for 24 hours, then go in the oven.
for 3 hours
Okay.
on 300 degrees.
And then what's going on here with the pork?
The pork, we'll put a pan over it just to compress it. So we'll put it in the fridge overnight. And then from here, we'll take the pans out. So we'll take this baby out, right onto the cutting board. I'll just trim off the edges,
Got it?
cut them into nice blocks.
So we'll sear that off in a pan.
Yes, brown it on both sides.
All right, now what are we doing?
Now we're gonna chop the preserved mustard greens.
Okay,
We're gonna go ahead and saute them.
got it.
So first the oil, garlic, onion, and then goes the mustard green,
And a little,
sweet soy sauce.
and how long are you gonna let that saute down?
About 3 minutes.
Okay,
We have our steamed buns. We're gonna open the bao. First it goes Hoisin sauce
that's how I roll.
with the pork belly right on top. On top of that gets preserved mustard greens. And then the crushed peanuts.
Okay,
And then finally cilantro right on top of that.
and this is one of the #1 sellers.
Yes, that's it, the pork belly bao.
And that's all she wrote. Okay, let's get after this. Great steam bun, nice, tender, nice and light. The pork is tender, it's sweet. I like the counterbalance with the mustard green. Really good, man.
Awesome.
That's real deal. Nice.
All right, pork belly bao.
Luscious and delicious and outstanding. And it's like the ultimate slider, right? It's like super sized bacon. It's pretty cool.
One BLT.
Sheridan's made a reputation of taking American food and giving a little Asian twist to it.
I'm not just raving on because it's bloody television, mate, you know? Everything on the menu, it's fantastic.
You come in here, you have a eclectic mix, definitely not what I'd expect. Nice job.
How'd you like it?